welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3, not 4, number 3 here in sunny, beautiful Florida. It's nice and cool, 71 degrees, and did a lot of yard work. I apologize for the condition of my hands. I put down 70 bags of the dyed black mulch, and yeah, I'm gonna have to scrub. I'm gonna have to scrub tonight, but yeah, I got a lot done, and that always feels good. We're working on this little skinny guy. I'm not sure. I think he's a 6 by 15 maybe. I don't know, but he's fun, and I painted him. I painted him with what I have found to be the blackest black, and that is DecoArt Americana Enchanted, their ultra black base coat paint. DecoArt, we need bigger bottles. 2 ounces. I had to open 3 of these. That's a lot of plastic that I'm wasting. You call it a base coat color, so let's put it in a bigger container so we can make bigger amounts of paint. But this is beautiful, guys. It has a matte finish, which makes it look extremely black. But once you varnish it with a gloss varnish or a satin varnish or both, it will really pop out. So I'm really excited. I'm going to do a traveling, I can never remember the names. I'm going to do a jiggle pour. I'm going to lay my paints in these little cups, layer them, and then I'm going to disperse them and move and jiggle as I do it. I believe that's a traveling straight pour, but I'm gonna jiggle. This is one of the classes I'm teaching at FAE in May in Asheville. Guys, I can't tell you how excited I am, but you know, if you've been watching me, you know I'm absolutely overjoyed and thrilled. Can't wait to show you those beautiful mountains. But let's talk about our colors. This was painted, this is dry, but I have more of the ultra base coat color to use as a flow extender. If you don't put the flow extender down, what happens is after you pour out your straight pour and the paint starts to move, the paint rings roll over each other. This keeps that from happening. Now my flow extender base coat color is a smidgen thinner than my other paints, which are thick as molasses. I'm really enjoying working with these paints, and I always speed up my video because I have to, because sometimes it will take me an hour and 30 minutes to tilt it out because these paints move very slow. So as you're watching me, I'm 4, sometimes 8 times faster in the video that I have sped up for you so that I don't put you all to sleep. Yummy, yummy turquoise right there. That is Golden Fluids, and that is their turquoise. Next color is yummy as well. Golden Fluids, and that is their teal or their blue lagoon, and it certainly looks like a blue lagoon. Beautiful color, Golden Fluids, Iridescent Gold. I chose this over the DecoArt 24 karat gold because that tends to get really bossy, take over, feather out, and a bit too much for me. I like the paint to hold their lines a little bit better because I really enjoy over stretching them. Yummy color, just got this in the mail. Thank you, Fluid Art Co. Try Art, and that is, did I get this right? Yep, that is their Red Oxide. These are lovely fluid paints, guys. High pigmented, Fluid Art Co. One-stop shopping, and their customer service rocks my world always. I order on Monday, and a lot of times my little box with my special little Fluid Art code tape is at my door on Wednesday, and that's amazing to me. Almost right there with Amazon. I've ordered from Amazon at 7 in the morning, and it showed up at 8 at night. I'm like, oh my gosh, how do they do that? This is a gorgeous color. This Fluid Art Co. is their Tri-Art High Velocity, and that is their Alizarin Crimson Hue. Beautiful, beautiful paint. Guys, I'll make sure I put all these paints in the description box for you. Right here, more of our base coat color, DecoArt Enchanted, their ultra black base coat paint. So, how did I mix these babies? Really easy. Put my paint in the cup, about 1/2 ounce. This is a 3-ounce cup. Excuse me, not a 1/2 ounce, much less than that because I used all fluid paints. About a tablespoon of every single one of these colors, except this one. This one got about a 1/2 ounce of paint. Then I added a squeeze of Golden GAC 800 to it, stirred that up so the GAC is mixed in there with all those beautiful colors. And then I added about 2.5 ounces of Oatral. Oatral is the European version of our Floetrol. It's just much, much thicker. I need thicker paints when I am doing my straight jiggle pour. Look at that. Pancake batter, molasses, thick paints, and I'm digging on those. First time I ever painted with thick paints, I was painting in person with Mino Villegas and Sarah Mack, and they were showing me how they mix their paints, and I kept trying to add more GAC and some more water to it, and they're like, no, 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 and I was like, there's no possible way you can paint with this. It's so thick. And yes, they were right. It's very thick. They taught me how to mix these paints. So, what else? Yeah, holidays coming up. And I'm excited, traveling to Virginia to spend a week with my daughter Taylor and her man George, and then a few days after Christmas in DC. She is marrying, oh, I get teary-eyed. She is marrying the man of her dreams and the man of this mama's dreams as well, downtown, right in the middle of Union Station, which is decorated beautiful for the holidays. All about love, very intimate, and it makes these mama's dreams come true. We always wish the best for our kids. Anyways, Chatty Cathy here. It's time to put some music on. It's time to get busy, guys.
Was it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers of just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter's snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I know that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, letting go. Letting go. Tell me, should I know? Just tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the